Hello and welcome back. This video is not financial advice, and always do your own research. BlockDAG is widely considered one of the most exciting upcoming layer 1 blockchains to hit the crypto scene, and as of late there has been some major updates. Just 1 week ago they did release their Keynote Presentation 3. During this presentation they showcased all of the different updates regarding the BlockDAG ecosystem, and I for one am super excited for what the future holds. Now in today's video we're going to be doing a deep dive into BlockDAG to go over all of the different updates that have happened since my last video, and we also are going to take a brief look at the Keynote Presentation 3. Along with that third Keynote presentation, BlockDAG recently launched their beta testnet. Now, alpha testnet was great, but with the beta testnet, it is coming with improved speeds and more features for the community to play around with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video and see what's going on. First things first, heading into BlockDAG's website, the link is BlockDAG.network. Currently, they are doing a 7x bonus by using code BDAG7X. This is only available for a limited time. Currently, there is 48 hours remaining for this 7x bonus. As we have mentioned, the BlockDAG testnet is now live, so I highly encourage you guys to go ahead and play around. This testnet is a next-gen blockchain testing environment designed to validate high-speed parallel transaction processing using DAG-based proof-of-work consensus. This will enable developers, miners, and users to test scalability, security, and decentralization before the mainnet launch. There is a free advanced toolkit for you to take advantage of, for you to explore, experiment, and help shape the next wave of decentralized technology. For those of you wondering, what is BlockDAG? Well, BlockDAG is a new layer 1 blockchain that is similar to the likes of Bitcoin and Caspa. They are utilizing DAG technology, and with this blockchain, they will be delivering superior scalability by enabling blocks to be added simultaneously. BlockDAG is going to eliminate bottlenecks and boost network performance. There will also be an innovative fee structure for these transactions. This is a decentralized hybrid proof-of-work consensus. As far as security, they are utilizing advanced cryptography to ensure unparalleled network security and data integrity, and it is EVM compatible, so any dApps from any other EVM blockchains can easily be brought over to the BlockDAG chain. Another cool feature with BlockDAG is they do provide simplified tools for building on BlockDAG. Whether you are trying to build a project or a dApp on BlockDAG, you will be able to do so simply and easily. The mainnet launch date is to be determined, but as far as performance for the testnet, everything has been going very good. Scalability, low latency, high throughput, advanced consensus, and attack resistant. With the testnet, you can use their Explorer to monitor transactions with a user-friendly interface, and they even have a node visualizer to get real-time insights into the network's performance and metrics. Some of those developer tools include smart contract listings, contract verification, and IDE features. Developers are going to be able to easily create, compile, deploy, and verify smart contracts seamlessly. During this testnet phase, BlockDAG has announced a $30 million grant allocation, which is going to help support and fund innovative projects within the BlockDAG ecosystem. Prospective projects are going to go through a thorough application process, and they will be assessed according to criteria specific to the grant program. There is also a $10 million grant program for infrastructure projects, dApps, and DeFi projects. So far within the BlockDAG ecosystem, there is 150 plus active communities, 45 plus different countries, and 500K community members worldwide. And then on the developer side, there's already 5,000 different developers that are active within BlockDAG, 200 plus projects that have been built, 1 million plus API calls, and 50% community growth. Overall, with BlockDAG, everything has been progressing quite nicely. As far as security, they have completed an external as well as an internal audit, and then their second external audit by Certic is currently in progress. Now that we've gone over some of the major updates with BlockDAG, let's go ahead and watch along on their new Keynote presentation. If you do head over to watch Keynotes, which I will leave down in the description box below, they have all 3 of their recent keynotes, so Keynote 1, 2, and 3, as well as a team video. Now for their Keynote 3 presentation, this one is nearly 45 minutes long, so we're not going to watch through the entire Keynote presentation during this video, but I am going to go ahead and play a few different snippets and give you my thoughts as it progresses.
And this year we've made massive leaps in blockchain technology. To name just a few, our hybrid consensus enhancements, delivering even greater speed and security, dynamic graph traversal algorithms, optimizing transaction efficiency, advanced MEV prevention, ensuring fair and transparent network operations, WASM compatibility, embracing the next generation of smart contracts, account abstraction, encouraging mass adoption through a simpler and safer user experience. Each of these enhancements brings us closer to a truly scalable, decentralized, and trustless financial system. Since launching our alpha testnet last year, we have accomplished numerous roadmap goals, taking us closer to final launch. The first testnet consists of more than 100 community nodes spread around the globe. It's processed almost 1 million blocks, around 1.2 million transactions, and been a crucial testing ground for further development and innovation. Today marks another significant milestone. We're excited to announce the official launch of our first beta testnet, which is a major step forward in terms of transaction speeds, Explorer functionality, and distributed applications. The alpha testnet was just the beginning. With this beta version, you can expect so much more. This includes our core blockchain running at twice the speed, a vastly improved Explorer with heaps more functionality, a token and NFT creation wizard, and various dApps for you to engage with. And that's not all. In order to make it even more exciting and interactive, we've taken it a step further. All existing BlockDAG holders will receive an allocation of testnet BDAGs, and these will be released every week over the next 4 weeks via our vesting contract. And if that's not enough, we're even going to incentivize you to get involved. So don't wait. Head on over to our website to find out more. BlockDAG is more than a project. BlockDAG is more than a blockchain. BlockDAG is a revolution, and we're just getting started.
I wanted to feature that snippet into the video because it's exciting. The alpha testnet, although it was great, the beta testnet is going to really showcase some of the impressive transaction speeds that BlockDAG has to offer. Additionally, for anybody who has contributed in the BDAG presale, you are going to be allocated some testnet BDAG tokens to go ahead and play around with. And I really like the talks of the token and NFT wizard to quickly and easily launch any kind of different project on chain.
We've optimized every bit of computing power to ensure that as our ecosystem expands, so does our efficiency. This means lower fees, faster confirmations, and a system that is built to last. With our powerful integrated development environment and token creation wizards, launching a token has never been simpler. No matter what type of token you are deploying, you can do it in minutes without writing a single line of code. These built-in features, minting, pausing, burning, and granular access, ensure that your token isn't just quick to launch, but also secure and flexible right from the start. Think about hosting over 1,000 decentralized applications that will redefine the industries, from finance, from healthcare, gaming, and beyond. This is where the next wave of digital transformation will be born, and BlockDAG will be at its heart. Picture a world where developers can create solutions without limits, without bottlenecks, no constraints. That's the future we are building.
The concept of the community being able to launch smart contracts without having to write a single line of code, to me, it just means that there is going to be a robust ecosystem with BlockDAG, and that is something that really excites me. There seems to be a consistent theme with BlockDAG empowering developers and community members, and that's why the next clip I'll go ahead and show you guys is all about the BlockDAG Academy.
At BlockDAG Academy, we're reimagining how learning happens in the decentralized world. Our program goes beyond simply showing which buttons to press. It provides you with the essential principles and insights needed to safely and confidently address BlockDAG's transformational potential. We're excited to offer a fresh, innovative approach to education that prepares you for the future. The program consists of 3 levels: elementary, intermediate, and advanced. At the most elementary level, we recognize that the ideas behind blockchain have often been surrounded by unnecessary hype and mystification. Approached in the right way, blockchains and smart contracts are simple abstractions that can be explained at the right level of detail to anyone. Most importantly, our program will cover what blockchains and smart contracts can do, what they can do easily, and what they can do with a bit of skill. Once you understand these high-level concepts, and you understand their powers and limitations, you will be ready to master the practical details. The program's intermediate level teaches how BlockDAG itself can be used to automate common DeFi and gaming applications. For example, BlockDAG's secure and flexible smart contracts can be customized to create and launch new tokens, including bespoke pre-sales, options, vesting, staking, and robust governance capabilities. It is not enough just to teach how to check the boxes. We feel it is core to our educational mission to make sure that our community understands the implications of these choices well enough to avoid the pitfalls and dangers that have arisen in other, perhaps less prepared communities. The program's advanced level teaches how to use BlockDAG directly, including how to program to BlockDAG's APIs, how to write, verify, install, and run smart contracts, and how to build distributed applications, or dApps, that exploit BlockDAG's security and scalability. In closing, BlockDAG's educational program focuses as much on the why as on the how, helping the community to exploit safely and securely the speed and power of the BlockDAG network. By equipping our community with both foundational knowledge and advanced skills, BlockDAG Academy ensures that everyone, from beginners to experts, can harness the full power of the Academy.
Now, there's so much more updated information provided by the keynote presentation, so I would highly encourage you guys to go ahead and watch it after this video. Go ahead and check the description box below for the official video. By 2026, BlockDAG is planning to support over 1,000 different dApps in tons of different critical areas such as gaming, DeFi, healthcare, and more. As an example, a gaming dApp that could launch on BlockDAG is going to be able to offer uninterrupted, low latency experience, and then DeFi protocols are going to be able to process transactions faster at lower cost. And for healthcare systems, they'll be able to handle sensitive patient information securely and efficiently at scale. In the keynote presentation, there's also more talks about different grant programs and hackathons with massive prizes. So if you'd like to learn more about all of this, aside from the keynote presentation, I will also link this article down in the description box below. Now that we've gone over the major points of the keynote presentation, we're going to end the video off with a quick pre-sale update, as well as let's talk a bit more about mining with BlockDAG. BDAG pre-sale has been breaking records. Right now, they have raised over $211 million. And so throughout this video, if you do want to invest yourself, it's as easy as clicking either buy now or the join pre-sale button. For those of you that do end up contributing, you can do so with ETH, USDT, BNB, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, as well as Apple Pay. Right now, the beta for the X1 Miner app is available on both iOS and Android. There is an interactive miner app, which I'll go ahead and show you guys now. With this interactive miner app, you can see where different miners are around the world. The most basic form of mining is the BlockDAG X1, which is a mobile app that we mentioned just moments ago. Their smallest physical miner is the X10, which is going to earn you somewhere around 200 BDAG per day. This is listed at $130 with free shipping. The next level up is the X30, and that is going to earn you around 600 BDAG every single day. That one is priced at 600. And their biggest miner is the X100, which boasts an impressive hash rate. It is designed for high performance mining. This one is listed at 1500, again, free shipping. So overall, there's lots of excitement building with BlockDAG with all of these latest updates. If you'd like to get involved and test out their beta testnet or learn more about BlockDAG, go ahead and check out the description box below. Also, go ahead and join in on all of their different communities so you can stay up to date on all the latest surrounding the BDAG token. Now, as always, this video is not intended to be financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, so always do your own research. Go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below what you are most excited about with BlockDAG. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'll catch you next time.